2018 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, heated front seats, power windows, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats. Come take a test drive today.